Okay, here are three more numbers we're going to put in order from least to greatest. So where do we start? Yep, we start in the greatest place value, which in these three numbers is the ones place. So we're going to compare 2, 2, and 3. What do you notice? Yep, 3 is greater than those 2. So we know that 3, this whole number, is going to be the greatest. So it's going to be the third one in our list. And so we don't even need to pay attention to that one anymore, because we know that that's already going to be the greatest number. So now we can go up here and look at these two numbers. Since 2 is in the ones place in both these numbers, we move to the right. We look at the tenths place, which in this number is a 7, and this number is a 4. Which is greater? Good, the 7 is greater. So we don't have to go any further. We know that this one is going to be the second number because it's greater than this one, and this one's going to be the first number. This number, 2.47, is the smallest number. So from least to greatest, we'll start here, and then we'll go up here to 2.73, and last, the greatest number is 3.73.